Hello guys, I will show you how to record your desktop screen or laptop screen using OBS Studio. Let's start. Click on OBS Studio, click on Art Source here, click on Display Capture and give name Screen Recording for laptop, or you can mention PC. Click OK and select OK. So now you can go to setting. So here click on the video and check the system resolutions. So you can check here 1920 and 1080 resolutions and click apply, and you can go to hotkeys. Here you can see shortcut key for start recording and stop recording, and also you can set also audio options here. So I am using default options. If you want, you can change it. Click OK. Thank you watching for this video. See you guys on next video. Thank you.